AC/DC charger not charging. Is your AC/DC charger not recharging your batteries? Check the integrity of the electrical circuit from the source using the outlet tester provided in your starter kit. If both orange lights on the tester turn on, the power supply is working. Plug in your extension cord and use the outlet tester again to ensure that power is correctly reaching the extension. Then plug in your van and check if the green LED light on the AC/DC charger is on. Inspect the 2 fuses on the charger to make sure they're in good condition. You can do a visual check or, ideally, use a multimeter for a more accurate reading. If the fuses are damaged, replace them and ensure they are properly inserted. If your AC/DC charger still does not charge the batteries after these steps, please contact us at Atelier at vanlifemental.com.